As the industry is expanding, the company is expanding, hence the workforce is expanding, and the need for skilled workers within the company is growing. Over 30 individuals have completed the MVQs now at various levels, and the majority of them are coming back to do the higher levels again.
We started with a few learners in each location, and that's grown and developed as they've grown and developed, and some of the first learners have now moved on to higher qualifications. They work with a real range of people, from managers in the office to people coming off a probation scheme that perhaps haven't had much success in school or much success in the workplace before. So it's a range of people really, from gaining management skills to gaining that first step on the job ladder, I guess, and a little bit of confidence that goes with it. As
an expanding workforce, you've got to keep investing in your staff. The MVQs are the great way to go about it, to invest in your staff, to build up the confidence, build up your key skills and invest in your future of the company.